Today we're gonna make this easy and delicious recipe for garlic string beans. To get started on making our garlic string beans, we have some water here boiling and we're gonna blanch our string beans. So here are fresh string beans. We're just gonna blanch them for about 2 minutes. While those are blanching, I have a skillet here. We're gonna put on medium-high heat. We're gonna put some olive oil. Heat that up. So we're gonna add in our garlic, about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. So we blanched these for about 2 minutes, so now I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna add them right to cold water bath. The cold water will stop the cooking process, and so then we're gonna saute them in the olive oil. I took the string beans out of the cold water, pat them dry, and we're gonna add them right to our olive oil. Saute these about 4 to 5 minutes. So now we're gonna add in a teaspoon of soy sauce, a half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Toss that around. I'm gonna turn up the heat. I'm gonna transfer them to a bowl. They smell so good with the garlic. We're gonna drizzle a teaspoon of sesame oil top. And some black and white sesame seeds. And this is ready. This recipe was so easy, it smells so good. Check out my website, nikkikleckis.com for this recipe and for tons more.